Hi there, traders. Let's talk about oil. So, what was happening, you know, in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday? So, we see here right now. Let's zoom actually. Let's actually start here. So, we have the first structure break here, and that's why I have this line here to see like if this structure is actually holding. Right now we see the structure is holding, and holding. But above here we have the major level of holder. And there is the same thing. The pressure in that zone and pressure in that zone. Right now there is the fight between those things, like who is gonna win. If this one is holding or this one. So right now the price is breaking higher here. So you see we have the same zone, and the same zone is actually inside here. So let's put this one now here, and let's see, like this new zone is holding actually. So now we see the price is actually breaking higher. We have some patterns here: M pattern, W pattern, fading structure. Price is going down, price is still wanna try it, but we make like this kind of box here, and now we have this structure break downsides. But this structure break, the same zone was still actually holding the price action. The same zone what we have here above it. The price is still, even like after that push, price was pushing price down, and still price is actually holding, and now it's price going higher and higher. But the main thing is, like after those sells, like if you get caught that sell right now, because after that W pattern here, you're gonna catch this one. This is good sell, because like if you're gonna put this zone right now here, you see like perfectly how the price is actually failing the structure. And if you, let's say you're gonna sell here to back to this zone, that's the that's a very solid trade. Stop loss is gonna be here. Yeah, stop loss is gonna be there. That's a very solid trade. But now let's talk about things more detail. So the first thing is we have this W pattern here, and we see straight away W pattern actually failing. You see that's the failing W pattern. This give you the information already. I don't know, maybe this level of holder actually don't hold. And here we have another W pattern, same thing, failing W pattern here. And you see prices don't breaking highs anymore. And now we have the last one here, W pattern here, and now the prices try to break highs, kind of like read this but fake out, and then price after that just doing downside. We have three same patterns, here, and here. Every single one is failing. Here is actually the same thing. We can do even the same thing here, and you see we're failing straight away, same thing. So we have 4 failing W patterns here. But the important thing is now to realize what is price doing after, let's say, reaching this high here. Let's put this one here. What is price action doing after that? Another thing is we have the previous rejection low here, and the previous box of the information what is already retested. So let's I'm gonna show you I'm gonna delete this one. When I'm gonna bring the box information here. So now is only thing what is in your mind is gonna be the price is breaking up above it, or price is gonna go below it, and price is gonna go above it. But right now the price didn't reach that, because the principle is already respected previously. The box information and the rejection low. And now what was happening, price actually break lower, and we start breaking those high lows here. We have those lows here, so the price was breaking those lows, and now is the the same thing. If you're gonna zoom out a little bit, you see the price is ranging between here. You see the price is ding 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 in that zone, and the same zone is here. The price is ranging here, so that's mean the only support what we can get right now is break above that. So let's put this in, let's box this one in. So now this is the the price only thing is gonna break above it, retest it, and now the prices wanna go that place. But right now what we see, when we're gonna bring those lows now back here, what you see, the price actually breaking the lows. After that we have some kind of push higher, and then we break in the lows again, and now we retest this low here, and the price is hitting that same zone here where we found the pullback area, retest, and now the price was going lower and lower, and price is going. So the perfect entry was this one here, because the opportunity what we have was only this one to push price higher, but it wasn't happen. And the same thing when we have this retest here, that's the main place where we're gathering some most energy, but because that's the major zone. But right now only energy what was inside that zone was just making this retest entry there. So right now this will be your entry here, the retest entry, stop loss last week high, this one, and yeah, take profit is gonna be this one here. This is gonna be take profit. Some crazy trade. And when we're gonna track this zone here, that was perfect retest entry here. This retest, yeah, why not this retest here, stop loss last week high. You can use this one or use this one, depends of your current emotion. And same thing, this is gonna be here. So absolutely perfect two trades, and it's good to realize what this price is doing, the higher the previous highs, and when the price is now back in the same place, that's mean the opportunity is still there. But when we start breaking lower and lower, that's mean we don't have energy anymore to break higher. Because the point is we have to break this one here what we was doing, but the price wasn't so strong. Price just was going lower, and you see here we break the lows, and now we break the lows again. Here is some little nice Fibonacci movement here, get some nice retest entry. That's perfect. And this one here, like if you're looking now at this one here, you see this 618 here, perfect retest entry too, for the Fibonacci traders. And let's see what that zone was doing. Oh, look at that was the zone where this pullback happened, was those two zones, the principal zones. The first zone what we have here, we have the pullback, and now the price was breaking through to the second zone, and what was happening, the pullback movement. And now the price is going, and then we have this and then we have here, this is the yep, like that was the super good sales here, still going. I'm actually holding those sales here, I have both ones in right now, both trades. Do you have even some kind of, like when you're looking, the curve here, we have like things. We have some kind of change here too, but just a feeling. But okay, I'm gonna finish today, and I'm gonna see you every single one tomorrow. Thank you, and if you have some questions, leave questions, and I'm gonna answer. And yeah, I thank you every single one, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Ciao.